Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. This is a small video on how you can verify the integrity of a file. Are you actually worried about a file that you have downloaded from the internet, any program, any video or any software, but you are not sure whether the downloaded file is okay or it contains any kind of virus and malware? Here is a simple solution for you. You can verify the integrity, check for any kind of virus without running or installing that particular file by 70 different antiviruses. Yes friends, by 70 different antiviruses. All you need to do is to head over to your web browser and you need to type a website which is virustotal.com and then hit the enter key. This virustotal.com is governed and owned by Google itself. All you need to do is to simply choose the file option and then click on the choose file option. Select the file that you want to verify is free from virus or not. Click on the option confirm upload and it will start it to analyze the file that you have uploaded has any kind of virus or not. You can see no security vendors and no flagged for this file as malicious. These are the 70 different antiviruses that uses this website, and this website is 100% legitimate because it is completely owned by Google. So this is how you can actually verify the integrity of file without actually installing that particular file in your system. If you like this small video and want me to create such more videos, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from Lotus Geek. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching. This is all about today.